Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up cross-save in Warframe on Android so you can use your main account on your mobile device without losing progress. Now first, you want to make sure you have Warframe installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, grab it from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the game and log in using your Google account. Accept the terms and conditions, then create an alias. Don't worry too much about the alias or your starter Warframe choice at this stage, because this is temporary mobile account, which will be overridden once we link your main account. Now you'll go through the opening cinematic in the tutorial. It's actually a good idea to complete the tutorial so you can get used to the mobile controls. So after finishing and reaching the main screen, that's when you're ready to link accounts. Now open a browser and go to the official Warframe website. Log in using your primary Warframe account, and this should be the account where all your progress is saved, whether that's from PC or console. Once logged in, click your profile in the top right corner and go to the account management. Look for the cross-platform or cross-save option and choose to connect accounts. Select the option to link your Android account, then enter the email and credentials tied to your Google login when prompted. After that, you'll be asked to choose your main account. Make absolutely sure you select your primary progress account before confirming. Double check this step carefully because this determines which progress carries over. Once confirmed, your accounts will be successfully linked and you'll now be able to access your main Warframe progress directly on your Android device. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!